Angry Soweto residents shut down Maponya Mall. A trial date has been set for Jacob Zuma's daughter. And the Baby Shark song composer has been dealt a blow in court. Hello there, I'm Sifiso Zulu.
EWN, in touch, in tune, and independent.
The famous Maponya Mall in Soweto was shut down after an e-hailing driver was killed and 2 Uber cars set on fire. This is an escalation of a years-long feud between taxi drivers and e-hailing operators at the mall. Another driver was injured, but he managed to escape from his burning car. An onlooker was taken to hospital after being hit by a stray bullet. Soweto residents say the attack has triggered concerns for their safety.
They also expressed their message of condolences to the bereaved family who lost their loved one, further indicating that such criminal behavior has no place in the public transport sector and that those responsible must face the full might of the law.
Former President Jacob Zuma's daughter will stand trial in November in a case where she's accused of sparking violence in the country in 2021. Zuma Sambudla is charged with incitement to commit terrorism and incitement to commit public violence. The chaos led to widespread looting, infrastructure was destroyed, the country's economy was battered, and more than 300 people died. Tutuzile is accused of encouraging the riots after supporters demanded her father be released from the Escort Correctional Facility. Zuma was slapped with a 15-month prison sentence for contempt of court.
The judge in the matter certified the matter trial ready, and the matter was adjourned to the 10th of November for trial. The trial has been set down for the 10th to the 21st of November 2025.
Police have shot dead 2 criminals who were wanted for killing a cop in Mpumalanga. The pair was found in the Kingdom of Eswatini with another suspect who died by suicide. The men are believed to be part of 7 robbers who attacked Sergeant Lawrence Mtsweni at a store last week.
On Thursday, early hours of the 14th of August, the Royal Eswatini Police traced these 3 suspects. The first 2 suspects were shot at a hideout in the Sisholeni region. They were fatally wounded as they charged at police when police announced their arrival. The third suspect was then also located in the same vicinity. He allegedly committed suicide before police could arrest him.
Crime Intelligence Chief Financial Officer Philani Lushaba remains a focal point of several ongoing investigations into the embattled unit. Lushaba appeared in the Pretoria Regional Court on 2 separate matters. One relates to fraud and corruption over the appointment of 30-year-old Dineo Mukwele into a highly specialized division within crime intelligence, despite her not having the necessary skills or qualifications. The other case relates to defeating the ends of justice, corruption, and perjury dating back to 2022, when Lushaba lied that his state laptop, phone, and firearm were stolen in a burglary, but it later emerged that a sex worker stole the items following a party at his home.
Crime Intelligence Chief Financial Officer Philani Lushaba appeared alongside Eugene Pitout, Glenn Hudson, and Johnny Mogashwa, all members within Crime Intelligence. They handed themselves over to officials from the Investigative Directorate Against Corruption in June after it emerged they had tried to cover up an incident in which Lushaba's state laptop, phone, and firearm were stolen by a sex worker at his home in 2022. The items were traced back to the sex worker and recovered, with Lushaba opening a case of house burglary, essentially lying under oath, resulting in an IDAX probe into the matter. They faced 10 counts of corruption, defeating the ends of justice, and perjury. The matter was postponed to October for a trial date. Arun Singh, Eyewitness News.
And South Korea's Supreme Court has dismissed a copyright claim over the viral children's song Baby Shark. US composer Jonathan Wright claimed the 2015 hit by South Korea's Pinkfong Company copied a song he released in 2011. But the court has ruled that Wright's rendition wasn't original enough to qualify for protection. The ruling has ended the 6-year-long legal battle. That's it from us. Thank you for watching. For more, you can go to the EWN app and the Prime Media Plus app.
EWN, in touch, in tune, and independent.